how to add social media icons. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel and click that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads here. So let us go and head on to our Shopify home app or home store. So let's go, and then what you need to do is to click on that customize button right here. It is colored green, so you will see it. And once you will be clicking on that, go to this theme settings option with the paintbrush icon, and you will see it in the top left corner. And then after that, you will be seeing a lot of options right here. Go to social media, since we want to add social media icons, and you would see here that you will have a lot of options for Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Twitter, and so on. So just go to your social media and click or copy the link and then paste it on the space provided here. So once you have provided the links, you will see here the preview of the page of your store, where you can see that buttons of the social media are added, and you are now be ready to save the work by clicking on the save button right here. So I hope so. Thank you for watching.